Hello student, previous video we saw extra questions MCQ 1 mark each. In this video also we'll see. Please share and subscribe this video and previous video and give your comments. Now we'll continue extra questions, that is the MCQ 1 mark each. Now solve 65x minus 33y equal to 97 and 33x minus 65y equal to 1. So we have to find out the values or solution of x and y. So very simple here. See, if you observe this is the equation first and equation second here. Now see, if you observe this coefficient of x and y in both questions, here see 65x is there, here minus 65y, means interchanging the coefficient. Here 33y is there, here 33x is there, means same here interchanging the coefficient of x and y here. Now very simple here, this if you add this, you will get the 98x minus 98y equal to 98. See, in all terms 98 is there, so you can divide by 98. After that you will get x minus y equal to 1. Now it is very easy. Another thing is there, this is the MCQ, so any method you can, by elimination or substitution method. Now here we got this equation, 3 equation we got, third equation. So now x minus y equal to 1. So very easily x you will get that, or y also. So here 1 minus y, it's become plus, so x equal to 1 plus y. So this value of x put in equation second, this is the equation second, okay, means in equation second this value is substituted. So 33, x value is 1 plus y, then minus 65 y equal to 1. So 30, here bracket is there, 33 is there, so you have to multiply by 33. 33 into 1, 33 plus 33y minus 65y equal to 1. So here 33y minus 65y equal to, subtraction is coming, minus 32, bigger number sign we have to give. Here minus 65 is greater, so minus 32y. This 33 we have to transpose this side, so it's become minus 1 minus 33. So minus 32y, and here subtraction again 32 is coming, bigger number sign we have to give the minus, so minus 32. So minus minus become plus, so y equal to 32 upon 32, this minus minus plus, so y equal to 1. So very easy, in this equation you can put the value of y. So y we got 1, so x equal to 1, it is 1 plus as it is, and y value is y. See here this equation we got, no, there we are putting the value of y. So y equal to 1, so x equal to 1 plus 1, so x equal to 2. This is the x and y value, so 2 and 1, so 2 and 1, that means this is your A is option. Now next option A is the answer. Now next two lines, x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0 and 2x plus ky plus 18 equal to 0 do not intersect each other. Find the value of k. Here k is, now here this is the equation 1, then here this equation 1 is comparing with the standard form. So which is the standard form? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So what? a1 equal to 1, then b1 equal to 2 and c1 equal to 7. So second equation, this is the second equation. This second equation you have to compare with the a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So your a2 is 2, here see, then b2 is k and c2 is 18. Now a1 upon a2, so your a is 1 upon 2, b1 b2, so 2 upon k, c1 upon c2, 7 upon, here values we got. So here what? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. So these two are equal, so a1 a2 1 upon 2 equal to b1 is 2, means 2 upon k. So easily you will get the value. Here you have to cross multiplication, okay. So here k equal to 2 into 2, 4, okay. So we got the k equal to 4, so D is your option. Very simple here. Like this is there, then you have to solve. Here it is given, it is do not intersect each other. If it is do not intersect each other, then this ratio is coming. Okay, then the graph of the equation x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1 will be if these two equations are there, and if you are drawing the graph. Here MCQ is there, no need to solve there, no need to draw on graph, but we have to solve to how to solve. Here two equations are given, so you have to find out the equation, a solution. That is the C, these two equations we have to add, equation 1 and equation 2. Adding that you will get, you can eliminate y here because plus and minus, so 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 upon 2, that is the 3. So now x value you got, so you can put in equation 1 this value of x, so 3 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus, so 2, x equal to 3 and 2. So here only one solution we got, so only one solution, that means it is a intersecting, only one solution is there. Then on graph paper that equation of lines will be intersecting to each other, so your option is B. Now here next question, or otherwise here this way also, if a1 a2 not equal to b1 and b2, that means it is a intersecting. So this way also you can find out, and you have to otherwise you have to find out a1 a2 b1 b2. Then if you find the ratio, if not equal to, then means it, this is not coming equal because this is coming 1 and this is minus 1, so not equal to, that means it is a intersecting. Now next solve y equal to 2x plus 1 and y plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So see y equal to 2x plus 1. So very easy now. Here we have to find out the solution. So y value is given like this, so you can substitute it in second equation. So your second equation is y plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So put the value of y, that is the 2x plus 1, 3x as it is, minus 6 as it is equal to 0. So addition 2x plus 3x 5x, and here 1 minus 6 means minus 5. Bigger subtraction and bigger number sign you have to give, equal to 0. 5x equal to 5, x equal to 5 upon 5. So x equal to 1 value we got. So y is given already, this is given, no, first equation. So y equal to 2x plus 1, 2 into 1. Value of x is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, means 1 and 3, 1 and 3, that means your option is A. Then next question is here, solve 2x minus 4 equal to 0 and 4x plus y equal plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so 2x minus 4 means 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4 upon, that means 2. This value you have to put in another equation, that see 4x plus y plus 4. So 4 into 2, x value of 2 plus y plus 4 equal to 0. So 8 plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This 8 and 4 means it is a 12. Y plus 12 equal to 0, y equal to minus 12. Means 2 and minus 12. X value is 2 and this one is there. So this means your option is A. So like this 40 questions we completed. If you solve more questions, you will get the more good concept and you are able to solve. Thank you for watching.